What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we have these earbuds from Baseus. Before I talk about the features and performance of these Baseus Bowie MA10 earbuds, this one comes with hybrid active noise cancellation, IPX6 and offers 140 hours of battery life. Before I talk about anything else, I need to mention one thing. This one costs only $79.99 US. No, only $29.99 US. That's so very cheap considering the performance of these Bowie MA10 hybrid active noise cancellation earbuds from Baseus. Well, let's start from unboxing. But before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. I really like the packaging. When I've got this one, truly, I have thought that this one costs more than 60 or 70 US dollars, at least 60 or 70 US dollars, because this one comes in a very nice packaging, very nice presentation, and the first time when I've held the earbuds in my hand, I felt like, well, these are premium earbuds. Okay, let me show you something very interesting. Titanium plated diaphragm, advanced wireless 5.3, that means Bluetooth 5.3. And here it clearly shows 140 hours long battery life, IPX6 waterproof and hybrid active noise cancellation. Well, let's go through the unboxing along with my favorite BGM. Okay, here comes Bowie MA10 from Baseus, hybrid active noise cancellation earbuds. The charging case looks a bit bigger. Definitely it's a bit bigger than many other earbuds charging cases, but in terms of build quality, this one will get 10 out of 10. And you need to understand, as this one offers 140 hours of long battery life, Baseus had to make it a bit bigger because they had to make room for a very big battery inside this charging case. I always talk about this all the time on all of my earbuds review videos. If the top lid of the charging case doesn't have a very good hinge, then I would really feel very disappointed. But look at this. This Baseus MA10 comes with two-step hinge, and when it's locked, whatever you do, the hinge isn't gonna move a bit. Wow, that's cool. In terms of design language, maybe it's a bit generic, but it definitely looks better than any other earbuds charging cases within its price segment. And look at this, Baseus has even added color accent inside the USB-C port. Beside the USB-C port, there is a button. This one is the pairing button, and this button also doubles as a reset button. Underneath there are some textures. This one helps to have a better grip on any flat surface, and there are LED lights in front which shows battery status and pairing status. Not only that, look at these. Both the earbuds actually comes with LED lights on top. Well, the earbuds are built with premium quality materials, and I truly like this two-tone design. And you know what? These earbuds comes with ear hooks. There are different sized ear hooks included inside the box. One set is already installed. These are pre-installed, but you can change based on your preferences, based on your ear tips, based on your size. And this is really a great inclusion for runners and joggers. And also when we are going to use these earbuds inside a gym, this will help a lot. Earbuds with an ear hook. Make sure your earbuds won't fall out of your ears quickly. That makes this wearing method ideal for workouts. You twist the ear hook behind your ears. You put the ear tip in your ear at the same time. When you twist the ear hook well, the earbuds are usually firmly in place. You can push this hook against your auricle so it sits even more firmly. Each of the earbuds weighs 4.1 grams, so these earbuds are definitely very light. Another thing I do care about when I check in-ear earbuds, and that is ear tips. I truly had hard time to believe that this set of earbuds only costs less than $30 because look at the ear tips. These are very comfortable one built with premium quality silicone, and inside the ear tips they have even added color accent, and Baseus actually has used two different materials to give it enough rigidity and at the same time make it very comfortable. So whenever I put these earbuds inside my ear canal, in my ear groove, I never feel any fatigue. It feels so very comfortable, and the ear hooks, well, let me show you. Wow. Whatever we do, how we are gonna bang our heads, how we are gonna shake, the earbuds stays inside the ear canal. Kudos to Baseus. Okay, you can see clearly that Baseus has their own application. They have developed their own application for their earbuds. That's Baseus application. It's available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. After you install the application, it's very easy to pair the earbuds with your smartphone and with the application. Once the earbuds are paired with the application, inside the application we can check a lot of information, and we can change between transparency mode and noise reduction mode. Inside noise reduction mode, we can select between commuting, indoor, outdoor, and we can also do custom noise reduction. Like there are 10 levels, 1 to 10, we can customize as per our requirement. In transparency mode, this set of earbuds actually lets us listen to the ambient sound, and I have tried all these different noise reduction mode, hybrid active noise cancellation. I think in outdoor this one performs like a beast. Considering that this set of earbuds only costs $30, they have performed very well. I know a lot of people would ask whether we can check battery status. Definitely we can check battery status of each of the earbuds and the charging case. We also have equalizer mode where there are a few different presets available, and we can also do some customization if we want. These earbuds supports gestures, so there are 3 options: double click, long press, and 3 strikes, which is actually triple click. So we can customize what will happen when we double click on left ear, on right ear, long press. We can also customize, and we can also customize the 3 strikes, triple click. Look at these. This set of earbuds also comes with low latency mode. I have tried to play games with this set of earbuds, and in low latency mode, I haven't seen any latency. Kudos to Baseus. One more thing that I love about this Baseus MA10 is this one supports MPC, multi-point connection. You can see clearly I have connected this set of earbuds at the same time with my iPhone 15 Pro Max and my Google Pixel 8 Pro. So I can enjoy entertainment on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and at the same time, if someone is calling me on my Google Pixel 8 Pro, I can just receive the phone call without any hassle. It actually gets switched between the devices without any delay. Well, we have already talked about all the features, the application, and a lot of things. But nobody would buy a set of earbuds only for outlook, appearance, and features. The most important thing of a set of earbuds is its sound quality. How does it sound inside our ear groove? So it's time to check the most important thing, sound quality. Well, let's listen to the same music that I always listen to test all of my earbuds, and let's decide how good is the performance. Definitely. I've been using this one for the past couple of weeks, and okay, I'll let you know how good is the performance after I listen to some music one more time. Well, I must say, considering that these set of earbuds only costs less than $30, I'm just super surprised by the performance. Truly, I have liked it. That's why I have managed to use this for more than a few days. I've been using this one for the past couple of weeks. When it comes to bass, most of the other affordable earbuds, those don't perform as good as this. This Baseus MA10 performs like any other $60 or $70 earbuds. Wow, this set of earbuds, these two truly have that oomph, the bass. Yes, the highs are really very nice. And there is a very nice separation between the highs and the mids. Yeah, the vocal is really rich and warm, and there is a good separation between the highs and the mids. And also there is a very nice separation between the lows and the mids. Treble, yeah, many other earbuds can reproduce very good treble, but there is an issue. Sometimes you wouldn't be able to separate the sound or the music from different instruments when the frequencies are very close. But this set of Baseus Bowie MA10 can do that. So in terms of bass performance, I'd give 9 out of 10, vocal 9 out of 10, treble straight 10 out of 10. Yeah, I'm gonna give this rating considering that this set of earbuds costs less than $30 US. But even if this one would come with a price tag of $50 US, I would give the same rating. So what do you think? Yeah, I know holidays are coming and we have to buy a lot of gifts. So if you're looking for a nice set of earbuds which doesn't break your pocket and the people who you are gonna give it to as a gift would love it, then I think this Baseus Bowie MA10 is going to be a very nice solid gift. At the beginning, I have mentioned that this one offers 140 hours of battery life. Each of these earbud offers 8 hours of battery life, and both the earbuds also support quick charge. Only 10 minutes of charging will provide 2 hours of playtime. One more time, kudos to Baseus. Finally, before we wrap up, there is another thing I like about Baseus. If you haven't noticed it, then let me show you one more time. Baseus actually care about customer support. So inside the application on the front tab, you will notice that there is a customer support icon, and the customer support of Baseus is always very good, very friendly. Well, that's all about this Baseus Bowie MA10. So if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.